Alright, hey guys, and welcome to another video. Sorry, I moved the computer and stuff. Probably should have done that before I started recording, but oh well. So, a lot of people ask me how to make music videos. So, caps, I don't know if that was an accident, but it worked out, so whatever. But so a lot of people ask me how I make my music videos. So I'm just going to make a little tutorial on how I make my music videos. And then I'd love to do a tutorial on how I made like, let me pull it up. I'm not signed in. Which is actually quite odd. Should I just stay signed in? Oh, because I signed in. Oh yeah, there we go. Like how I did eBay. Which is just Video Star, which isn't that hard. It's pretty self-explanatory, and Video Star has a channel, but I would really tell you how to use the app. And stuff. Yeah. But so I'm going to show you how I make my music videos. And it's not as easy, or it's not easy at all. Probably doesn't seem easy either. But so what you do is you choose a song. So I'll just do a little bit from Radioactive. I'm right here. Yeah, right there. So first what you do is you find a spot to go to. Julian, in his videos, he says that you want to find a scenic spot. I don't usually do that. Usually I just find a plain spot and then use a ton of cool effects. But you can do whatever you want. And now, this would be really cool to be on the bridge, but they put the Great Nature Project right here. Like, I came here, said, oh, I can do it on the bridge and can bar out back. Well, nope. So we'll just do it like right here or something, and then you hit there and sit, be looking off distance. It kind of depends on what it is. If it's like you're leaving or something, I don't know, turn your back or walk away. I don't usually use videos in my music videos. It just, I don't know, this computer is kind of whack with iMovie. When I try to import a video, it just goes crazy and stuff. So it's easier to just drag pictures in. So, but we'll go to early, and we'll just do early. So, let's go. Okay, I'll do a scenic place, because that's what Julian says to do. And then, I'll just do that. So then you say, you choose what action you want to do, and you say the words. I bring up the lyrics. I know the lyrics to Radioactive. I'm not a weirdo. But like, sometimes, I don't know, you think you know them, but you don't. Or you misspell something, and you really don't want that. Because that can kind of bring down the music video. So then you take a screenshot, click Command-Shift-4, and it comes up with this little thingy. And then you go around yourself and you say the words, but you have to say the words first. I was just trying. So Command-Shift-4, and yourself, and let go, and that takes the screenshot. And then you close this. You have to release the screen recording thing. Okay, let's drag that into the trash. Drag that into here. No música. Okay. Okay, so then you go. Okay. Just so I just do it this way. because I'm not super technical with iMovie. I just kind of do whatever I think I can do. So then let's go like, let's say it's like 0.4 seconds for now. I know there is like a really complicated way to like make it accurate. And then click adjustments, and you can choose the video effect. That's just the effect of the picture. You don't want to choose the same one too many times in a row. Even like twice would be a lot. And I just used heat wave, so I'm going to do sci-fi. If you did want to do the same like thing, you click that, but I don't want to do that. Sorry, it's really laggy because I'm recording. That's what it does when you record, it gets laggy. Quit being laggy. So then, I just like to play around with this, that, pure white. You really want to mix around your effects a lot. You don't want like the same effect over and over again. Even if it does look really cool, it gets really old really fast. There's a lot of things like that don't make that big a difference. This one's going to be really colorful. And then down here you can change like, it's kind of like when it's like whenever yellow's the most noticeable. Even though this one's really good. Yeah. That's the yellow show. Okay, well, it's not showing in this picture, but I'll go to the other picture and show you guys. But you can kind of, usually it changes more than it's changing right now. This one here. So this is saturation's right on this one. I don't know like that. Oh, I already have it on yellow because I was playing around with it. See, it made this yellow, it made like it mixed tones for stuff yellow. But it's not dark. I'll make another one that's bright like that. And then we do the Ken's burns effect. Woohoo! My friend calls it the Ken is burning effect. She thinks that's just hilarious. Kind of is. It's funny. Ken is burning. This one will be like a really yellow one. And then it's always fun to choose something plain because then you can really mess around with the background and stuff rather than scenic things. Usually you can't change the background a whole lot. Let's see, how long is this recording time? 8 minutes. I have a little box that tells me how long I've been recording for. What do you want to use that? No. Don't trade me. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, so I'll just do plain background. Radioactive. I'm not radioactive, even though I should be checking my lyrics. Radioactive, radioactive. No, don't get away, picture, stupid person. Get away. Get away. This. Music of Veteran. Thank you very much. Please now. Because tomorrow that really works because it's just such a plain color. It's fine. Say hi. I'm recording, by the way. Oh yeah, we're really recording. Spyro60 says hello, I'm sure. I'm recording a tutorial on How to make a music video. Complicated. Making a video on how to make a video. Hi, hot interwebs. This guy's hilarious. Be my buddy, please. You're hilarious. I love you. Not literally. Boop. Command Shift 4. Don't forget it. They come in handy. Trash. Dragon D.